easy cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Halloween video. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Halloween pizza. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll start by cutting the mozzarella balls in half. And this is a Halloween pizza, so it will be kind of spooky or creepy, but that's the point. And for this recipe, I'm also using my homemade tomato sauce, but feel free to use whatever kind of tomato sauce that you prefer. Your favorite brand from the grocery store will be perfect. So like I said, we're going to cut the mozzarella balls in half, and the mozzarella balls will be like eyeballs, so make sure to get the smaller mozzarella balls because they come in different sizes. So once you cut the mozzarella balls in half, just set them aside. Now we will also cut the olives, and you can either cut them in half or in thirds, and I'm using black olives and green olives. The green olives are stuffed with red bell peppers, and we're going to be using the olives like if they were the pupils in the mozzarella eyeballs. So once all the ingredients are cut out, now we're going to pre-bake the pizza dough. And the pizza dough comes in a rectangular shape. Now I'm going to cut it in half. So I'm going to get 2 rectangular pieces. Now grab a fork and poke the dough a few times. And we're going to pre-bake this for about 8 minutes. If you like it really crunchy, feel free to pre-bake it for 10 minutes instead. So after the dough comes out of the oven, now we're going to top it with the tomato sauce. You can add as much tomato sauce as you want to. And after that, we're going to top it with the Parmesan cheese. And as you can see, I'm not adding too much Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese is there just to add some flavor to the tomato sauce. But you want the Parmesan cheese to melt into the tomato sauce. You don't want it to be visible at all. You want it to melt into the tomato sauce. That's why I'm adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm not going crazy with it. The main focus of this pizza will be the mozzarella balls. So after you add in the Parmesan cheese, now we'll top the pizza with the mozzarella cheese. Just try to place the mozzarella cheese in pairs. Like I said, they are going to resemble eyeballs. And you can add as many pairs as you want to. Just leave a little bit of the tomato sauce visible. You want the tomato sauce to show a little bit. So after they are done, after you place the mozzarella balls on the pizza, now we're going to bake them again for 5 more minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, just so the cheese will start to melt. And while the pizza is in the oven, now we will also chop some of the pepperoni. And I'm just going to cut it into thin strips. And this step is optional. The pepperoni is optional. You can skip it if you want to. After 5 minutes, this is how the pizza looks like. As you can see, the cheese is starting to melt. Now I'm going to add some of the pepperoni strips in between the cheese balls, just to add an extra layer of flavor. And you can add as much pepperoni as you want to, or you can just omit it if you want to. And now we're going to top the mozzarella balls with the olive slices. Remember, you want the mozzarella balls to resemble eyeballs, and the olives will be like the pupils. You can use black olives or the green olives to make the pupils of the eyeballs. So just keep on decorating the pizza with the olives and the pepperoni, and once it's done, we're going to place it back in the oven for another 5 to 8 more minutes, just so the crust will get more crispy. And that's about it. Once it's done, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a very interesting looking kind of pizza, kind of funny and creepy at the same time. It's perfect for Halloween. So I hope you like this idea. I hope you can give it a try. Enjoy! To print these and some more delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!